Hi, I'm Garth Tiltmann. I'm South African. I'm co-founder of Nova Holding Group and general manager. My background of almost 2 decades is in commercial marketing and product management for the biggest and largest corporate manufacturing companies of the world. I moved to Ras Al Khaimah from Dubai almost 7 years ago to enjoy and live the life of an outdoors South African family where we feel safe, we can enjoy hikes in the mountains, we go to the beach, we go to the dunes for dune bashing, and if we get stuck, we get helped out by friendly locals who are in for a good time to have good fun and enjoy the moment. With such a focus on drawing property investors and growing Ras Al Khaimah to the next big thing of the Middle East. Ras Al Khaimah is a place for innovation, company startups, and driving sustainability for a future that is successful and prosperous. Nova Holding Group was conceptualized in the fact that we identified problems with solutions-based thinking. We have 2 products that we import and distribute within the Middle East and UAE, one being an electronic bottle chiller. Have you ever been to a hotel or at home and you've battled to maintain ice during hot summer months without an alternative? Well, we wanted to give an alternative that both saved ice usage, but also was environmentally friendly, both in electricity and water wastage. So we propose to the hotels, hospitality, and at home, our electronic bottle chiller, which is built into your counter, recessed. Okay, tomorrow we will have another portable version. It's electronically touch controlled in nature. So simply a bottle of any size can go into the bottle chiller, okay, and can be chilled between 5 and 12 degrees or up to 18 degrees by the touch of the crowner. The crowner will set the temperature and the time, as well as the mood lighting for the environment in which it's installed. So a perfect complement of luxury design meets functionality. Perfect drinks, always chilled, no more ice, no more mess. We also have our electronic damp rising device. Easy to install, simply drilling 2 holes into the wall and mounting the device onto the wall, plugging it into a UK plug socket. It is to solve groundwater damp rising. In the UAE, we have 2 different types of elements. We have humidity and we have groundwater damp. Groundwater damp is the phenomenon of water rising from beneath the foundation of that property, being a house, being a corporate commercial building, such as a mosque, hotel, government building, office block, any building really that has a ground floor base and structure, where groundwater seeps into the foundation of the building, causes damp, bubbling of paint, peeling of paint, chipping of paint, collapsing of paint, and also tide line marks, as well as effects of mold and humidity elements. Traditionally, you solve damp by the means of DPC or very labor-intensive, evasive type means, meaning you bring in a team of people, they scrape off the walls, they plaster the house, they paint the house, and in 6 months to 12 months' time, all of that effort is undone. The cost is wastage, and repetitive labor and methods of treatment are needed again. No more. We have our anti-damp device, which basically substitutes that solution where it emits an electromagnetic wave into the wall, which is a low-frequency electric current every 3 milliseconds that binds itself to water molecules rising as a seepage effect and reorientates the water molecule from an upward rising natural gravitational pull to an inverted down into the water table and moves along with the water table, effectively drying out the masonry within 12 to 18 months. Long-lasting, perfectly dried walls and floors to prevent bubbling, peeling, chipping, and general property decay, as well as the effects of hygiene issues such as mold, for a long-term 30-year guarantee. The beauty about our product innovation being new and exclusive is that we serve crossovers between environments in which each product respectively would be distributed. Our anti-damp device solves problems in terms of damp-related issues affected everywhere within the Emirates, from installations have been made in Abu Dhabi to Dubai in the Greens community, Palm Jumeirah, Al Barari, to here locally in Ras Al Khaimah in Al Hamra village, as well as Wild Springs Private School. The bottle chiller in the same environment has also been installed in Al Hamra, has also been installed in Dubai, in Aura Sky Pool Bar, and we look to obviously install it in more places within the UAE across Emirates. We're looking for our products in terms of crossovers to serve the elevation of the Emirates, in terms of bringing about luxury, but also protection of the investments that the Emirates are generating for the better image overall of Ras Al Khaimah and the UAE. If you're considering to move to the UAE, my advice to you would be to consider things that are important to you and your family. Family lifestyle work balance is imperative, but also where and how you spend your money and invest in your time in the UAE. Property investments have great attribute in terms of return, but also Ras Al Khaimah as an Emirates is a very safe, healthy, family-oriented Emirate with the best possible lifestyle that you could offer anywhere else in the world.